These are the different branches having different experiments. Now directly you can go to right physical sciences. In the physical sciences, for the Meldy's apparatus, you can directly go to harmonic, so virtual harmonic motions and waves lab by Amrita Vidya Petan. So in that you can find AC sonometer and okay, Meldy's strings apparatus. You click the Meldy's strings apparatus, right? So this is the theory. So in theory, it has weighing apparatus theory, okay, circuit diagrams in transverse mode and longitudinal mode, okay, and how the connections are connected. That is the connected diagram, some of the applications of the Meldy's apparatus. So what is the main purpose of the Meldy's apparatus? To determine the frequency of electrically maintained tuning fork. So by two methods. One is transverse mode of vibration method. Second one is longitudinal mode of vibrations method. Okay. So the apparatus are electrically maintained tuning fork, fine thread, scale, pan, weights, okay, scale pan, weights, and meter scale. So, so this is the formula. What is the frequency of electrically maintained tuning fork? Square root of capital T by mu. What is T? Okay, tension of the string, that is equal to mg. What is mu? Mu is okay here linear density or a mass per unit length of the string. How can you get it? So yeah, small m is the okay mass of the okay suspended thread. Okay, right? L capital L is equal to that length of the total length of the thread. We can find out the linear density of the thread, okay, or unit length of the thread by finding the total mass of the thread by total length of the thread. Substitute. Okay. So same as it is. So finally, the final formula that is equal to mu. That mu is substituted in this equation. F is the frequency of vibrating y. You can finally get the value f is equal to 1 by 2l square root of t by mu. So this value. So not okay. Need to derive this formula. Just you observe it. F is equal to 1 by 2l square root of t by mu. That the resonating length here or are the length of the y per unit length లేదా so L is called that is length for one loop. Next we will see. So all these are the formulas no need. But you have to remember one thing. So what is the transverse mode? What is the longitudinal mode? So this means that the apparatus is this is electrically maintained okay tuning fork. So this is electrically maintained tuning fork. This is the induction coil, right? These are the step down transformer. These are the small wires and connected with the is known as transverse mode. Whereas in the case of lower one, okay, the electrically maintained tuning fork vibrates along this direction. The waves also moving along that same direction. That's why the vibrations is parallel to the direction of propagation. Such mode is known as longitudinal mode. Right. This is the procedure. Right. How to you can calculate the tuning fork. But in simulation directly we can get it. So if you need to go to the self-evaluation, okay, we have some multiple choice questions. You can submit and get your score. Right. The references, different textbooks are the websites. Okay, where this material okay, or apparatus we can find. So assignments. Okay. So depending upon this Mellis apparatus, he asked different problems and questions for the Viva Voice purpose. So it is useful. Next, go to the directly simulator. Okay. It is very easy. See here. So in procedure, this is a original right tabular form. Trial 1, trial 2, trial 3. The total mass of the pan. Mass of the plant plus you okay, applied it weightage. Okay, this is the number of loops. Okay, length of n loops. Length of one loop, small n value. Already I said that, sir, what is the small value in this formula? See here, this is a formula, final formula. F is equal to 1 by 2L square root of capital T by mu. What is 2L? Sorry, what is L? Small l. Okay, length of the thread per one loop. T is tension of the thread. The tension is nothing but m into small g. So mu linear density of the wire, it is directly given this constant value. Right, see here. So capital M by L, total mass divided by L square. Right? Simulator. See here. First you can do with longitudinal mode. Then you select the tuning fork. Tuning fork 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, so on. And different okay, tuning forks having different frequencies. So you can perform this experiment on different places. Earth, uranium, okay, Neptune, Jupiter, whatever. So this is there, you can select there. Mass in the pan. Okay, you can select whatever maybe 10 grams mass in the pan. This means that, so this is the apparatus diagram. This is electrically maintained 24, right? This is the electrical coil, the electro induction coil. Okay, these are the connections. This is step down transformer. This is a wire. This is the pulley. This is a pulley. This is a fan. In fan, you can use the some masses 10 grams, 20 grams, 30 grams, and so on. He directly given that the linear density of the string 1.17 into 10 power minus 4 kg per meter. So mass of the fan 0.5 grams. That is the constant value. So transfer voltage you can select 8 volts. You can vary from 0 to 10 volts, but you select 8 and 6. Right? You can vary the meter scale. See here. Meter scale is varies from. If you switch off, no loops are formed. Right? Switch on, loops are formed. The loops in the direction of longitudinal wave. Right? Show the result. Directly you get the frequency of tuning fork 60 hertz. Right. Suppose if you change Uranus, what is that frequency? Same. 60 hertz. Right. Stop the power. You can go to the transfer mode on the that in transfer mode. Why? Because so now the tuning fork is vibrated along this direction. The direction of propagation of the wire is along this direction. Both are perpendicular. See here. So number of wires are formed. So that's why the frequency of tuning fork is 60 hertz. Simple experiment, right? So you can measure the length of the small L value, right? See here. See here. Two, 2.5. Right? This means that okay, how many divisions are between 1 and 1.5? So many divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50 divisions is there. Okay, 50 by 0.5. 50 by 0.5. Okay. Each division is suppose 50 by 0.5. 50 divided by 0.5. What is each division? Okay. 500 by 5. Okay. 100. Right. What is that? Okay. 100 each division. Okay. 1 means that 1.001, 1.002, 1.00, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. Right? So what is this value? 1.1. This value 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. Say this is 1.3. Say here. So what is this value? 1.31, 1.32. Next you go to so this terminal. Right. So this is 1.32. What is the exact value? 1.55. 1.55 minus 1.32. 1.55 minus 1.32. Okay. 0.23 centimeters. Right. So you can find the length of one loop. This is the node. Right. This is the antinode. Then you can directly go to this table if you need. Okay, see your also manual. Trial number 1, total mass. Okay, what is the total mass? The mass of the pan plus I applied in the mass into the pan. The mass of the pan is 0.5 grams and apply 10 grams, 10.5. Number of loops. Okay, no need this one. You can find out, okay, 6 or 4 loops. So length of total loop. Then directly you can find out this small m, 0.23. Okay, right? You know that this m value and l value. You can calculate m by n square. Yes. Right. Suppose if you substitute in this formula, so you can directly okay find out this m by l square value. Okay, when you can also find out another mode. So mu is constant value, linear density, already given in the table. L, you calculate from the diagram. T, m into g. M, what is the T? T is equal to m into g. What is capital M? So capital M is mass of the pan plus total mass applied to the pan. G is 980. Always this is in Jesus system 980. Okay, we can find out F value. If you find out, you can get same 60. See here. So here in the results, so you can find out, okay, that is equal to 60. You manually can find out the final frequency of the tuning fork is 60. So that is the procedure of this experiment.